We're getting married in June.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Like literally around the corner.
Literally around.
How long have you guys been together?
We've been together for 2 years.
Okay.
That's
Everything
good.
going good,
That's
right?
good.
That's right.
Everything's
That's
going
good.
2 years, that's
Yes.
good.
All right. Is this the first time you guys are conflicted about something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
In a meaningful
Yeah,
way.
in a
They both
meaningful
said
way.
it. They both said yes.
All right.
So the issue is I want less people. I want 30 people at the wedding because we're having a destination wedding in Florida.
Oh, very small because you have to travel.
Travel.
Right.
But she wants 50 people.
And are you guys paying?
50's still pretty small, may I just say.
That's what I said.
Are you paying for it?
Yes, we're paying for it.
So,
Oh, you're buying all their tickets.
Yes.
so, all right, that's a big deal.
Oh, listen to everybody. First they're like 30, 50, who cares?
Yeah.
Then you heard they're writing the check. Oh.
I mean, you're literally doubling the expense, right?
Yes, and mind you, we have 3 kids,
Uh-oh.
and we're trying to buy our first house.
Oh.
Come on now.
That's a lot
That's
of
what's
money.
important. I mean, listen, let me just do a little sidebar here.
Yeah.
I mean, marriage is a very important social institution, but at its core, it's about creating a family. And part of that is the financial security and the social benefits of being a family. And please let that be your priority. It sounds like your husband-to-be has got his head right in the right spot with that. I'm just saying. All right, now why do you want the 20 more people there? And do you know those 20 people off the top of your head?
Yes, I believe I deserve the wedding of my dreams. Yeah.
Yes, you do, but that's a totally different issue than
these 20
sacrificing your
people-
kids' college education and your home for that wedding.
I know.
And by the way, it's going to be 30 people at a destination
Wait,
wedding. It's going to be
Out
fabulous.
of the 50 people, can't any of them buy their own ticket?
Some of these people are from Nigeria, his hometown.
So it's very difficult
So
for them to
it
buy a
is,
ticket.
and I just wanted to reach out to like his uncle that grew him up because his father had died.
Right.
So we wanted to reach out to them and bring them up. He said that was too much. So I wanted to also reach out to some of my family that was in Jamaica and bring them. He said that was a lot.
So it's hard for everybody.
But
Everybody's struggling. You're trying to financial plan for your immediate family.
Yes.
And she wants to include the extended family on a very
Yeah, 'cause
special
I think
day.
it'll
I
be
see both sides of
special.
this one. This is.
It'll be really special.
I'm so sorry. I couldn't resist. I dig this guy. I like where he's at.
And that you're being very family oriented.
Reasonable.
But your game is done, and God bless you. And I hope your children are smart enough to get scholarships.